Hey, it's Craig. Let's talk about transient control plugins, which separate the transient attack from the rest of the sound. This lets you shape the attack to make it stronger or softer and alter the post-attack sound independently. Here's what it sounds like with drums. Let's emphasize the attack transients. Now, let's make them softer. We can emphasize the post-transient sound or reduce the post-transient sound to tighten up the drums. Emphasizing transients can also add some bite to a synthesized brass part. Transient control can even reduce consonants in narration, change string attacks on guitar, and much more. Give it a try.